I am Mark Birchall from Restaurant Moor Hall in Lancashire. I am going to show you some of our food offering here in the restaurant and the barn, as well as our guest experience. Stay tuned. But first off, let me show you around. So this is our lounge. Guests are invited here to start their experience here at Moor Hall. We'll invite you to have a few little bites, a few snacks before you start your meal in the restaurant. So this is a selection of the snacks that you receive when you arrive into the bar and lounge. Start off with some of our house-made charcuterie. So we only use purebred animals. Then we move on to the black pudding. A little black pudding like a Boudin Noir style mousse, filled in a little crispy shell with some pickled gooseberry and a little sorrel flour for decoration. Then we have a tartlet, and it's served with some peas from the garden, alderman peas, with some chorizo and a little pea mousse inside. Then next, you get a little English muffin with some lobster claw. Then the last one in the lounge, we have some smoked cod roe with a little chicken consomme, Kaluga hybrid caviar, our selection is aged for us, and some herb crackers just to eat it with. Moor Hall for me is a dining destination with rooms. Although we're on 6 acres, we're a relatively small restaurant. We do around 40-45 covers. It's hard to categorise, but we're all about making an unbelievable guest experience. That's what we're about. Yeah, so we're really lucky here. We're studying our kitchen garden where we grow as much produce as we can for the menu. The benefit of growing on site is the specs. You can grow it to exactly how you want it. The freshness, you can't buy that freshness, it's impossible. I mean, for us to have a green star is fantastic. It's a little badge of honour for what we do, and it's not just about the growing, it's about the responsibility that we have towards how we behave in the kitchen and how we produce the food. I think having 2 Michelin stars is an amazing achievement. As all the accolades are incredible, I think the problem is when you say you win that first star, which is a feeling like no other, you start looking at what's next. You want more, you always want more. So I suppose that's our ethos. We try and make the next day better than yesterday. So we're here in the barn on the ground floor. This is our larder of products. So we look after all of our meat products really well. So we've got the ducks here. The ducks we usually hang or mature for 4 weeks. So this is our room where we mature all the charcuterie we make. So we've got lots of different things. So we've got the black pepper salami, we've got fennel and garlic. And it varies how long things will be in here. They could be in here for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, maybe 2 months. It depends on what the product is. So this is our beef for the menu. So we mature this, really does vary, but usually around 90 days. So this is our barn restaurant. This is our little sister, if you will. It's our casual dining neighbourhood restaurant. We can get an a la carte dish, or a lunch menu, or a set dinner menu, and get a beer on tap. Really casual, really friendly. So we've got Kane Williams here, who's the head chef. He's been with me from the very start. He started off in Moor Hall, worked his way up to sous chef, then I got rid of him and put him over here as head chef.
Hello. I'm going to cook you today Cumberland cobbler chicken, crispy leg, crispy cabbage, and a whey mushroom foam. We're going to start off by putting butter mushroom puree on the plate. Then we're going to put the hispy cabbage, which has just been seared. Chicken goes on with a crispy leg, which is glazed, like a beer glaze. We'll finish off with the mushroom whey foam sauce.
Here we are in the kitchen at Moor Hall. We have around 15 chefs working on a service. So we give every guest a little tour of the kitchen. We'll show them after being in the garden, we'll show them some of the produce they're going to eat for dinner, which is just here. So the ducks, we've got the beef, some of the produce from the garden, other stuff from the surrounding areas, some of the ferments we have, all that, so they get to see everything. Then we have the hot pass, so the hot dishes are finished, prepared, everybody's checked by somebody senior in the team before it leaves the restaurant. So we have a beautiful, spacious dining room, really light, but quite luxury, very comfortable. Lots of space between all the tables. We have our own little cheese cellar just in here, which every guest will visit in between the meal. Not everyone knows what a whole wheel of cheese looks like, or we've not seen it close up. We can chat to guests about everything about what we do with our cheese and our drinks that go along with that. Just down here we have a small kind of show cellar. So we've got the reds and the whites around the corner. And again, guests can have a look at that and they can see everything from a dining perspective. The future of Moor Hall is quite simple. It's carry on doing what we're doing and just trying to make things better and better, and as we always have done, that's the main thing for us.